Hello, you are welcome. The question here says if the ratio of m to n is equal to 2 whole number 1 over 3 to 1 whole number 1 over 5, and the ratio of n to q is equal to 1 whole number 1 over 2 to 1 whole number 1 over 3, find the ratio of q to m. Now, for us to solve this, the first thing we can do here is to express this as improper fraction so that it will be easy for us to handle. So I can simply say the ratio of m to n is equal to, this is 3 multiplied by 2, which is 6, plus 1, 7. So that will be 7 over 3. Ratio, this one is 5 multiplied by 1, which is 5, plus 1, 6. And that will give us 6 ratio 5. And then now, let me also handle the other one. That is n ratio q. So I say n ratio q is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 plus 1, 3. So I have 3 over 2 ratio. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3 plus 1, 4. 4 over 3. So now that we have them in improper fraction, we can go ahead and make n here, because this is n, which is 6 over 5. I can make n here in this ratio to become 1. But before I do that, let me clear out fraction in these ratios. I want to clear out fractions and make them whole numbers. So for me to make this fraction to become whole number, I simply look for the LCM of 5 and 3. The LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. So what I simply need to do is to multiply the two of them by 15. So I multiply this by 15 and also multiply this by 15. So that will give me 3 here, 1. 3 in 15 is 5. And then 5 here, 1. 5 in 15 is 3. So I now have my m ratio n as equal to 7 times 5 here. That is 7 multiplied by 5 will give me 35. Ratio 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. The same way, I'm going to make this to be whole numbers. So the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So I'm going to multiply this one by 6 and then also multiply this by 6. So 2 here is 1 and 2 in 6 is 3. 3 here is 1 and 3 in 6 is 2. So I have my ratio n ratio q is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Ratio 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So now I have my ratio m is to n as 35 to 18, and then n to q as 9 to 8. Now what I need to do here in order to combine the ratio, for it to be possible for me to combine the ratio, I have to make the values of n in both ratios to be equal, because n is here and n is also in this ratio. So because n is common to the two ratios, I have to make the value of n here to be equal to the value of n here. So a simple way to do that is to make n here to be 1 and also make n here to be 1. So don't forget, this is n, which is corresponding to this ratio 18. So to make this ratio to be 1, I simply divide, to make n to be 1, I simply divide both sides by 18 and also divide this by 18. So I now have the ratio m is to n as equal to the value 35 over 18 is to ratio 1. 18 divided by 18 is 1. Similarly, for me to make n here, don't forget this n corresponds to 9. So for me to make n here to be 1, I simply also divide the two ratios by 9. That is the value of n. So this over 9 and this over 9. So I now have n ratio q is equal to 9 over 9 is 1 ratio 8 over 9. That is 8 over 9. Now, n is 1 in both ratios. That means n is now equal in the two ratios. So since n is now equal in the two ratios, I can now combine the two ratios. I can now pick any values that I want in the two ratios and take them as the appropriate ratio. So don't forget, from the question, let's go to the question so that we can pick the ratio that we need. The question says we should find the ratio of q to m. So q to m. So that is what I'll be looking for here, q to m. So the ratio of q now, I'm going to say therefore q ratio m will be equal to, the value of q here is 8 over 9. 8 over 9 ratio, the value of m here is 38 over 18. 38 over 18. So I now have my ratio q is to m, but I need to make them to be whole numbers. I don't like the way they are fractions like this. So to make them to be whole numbers, as usual, I look for the LCM of 9 and 18. The LCM of 9 and 18 is simply 18. So I can multiply this part by 18 and then also multiply this part by 18. So 9 here is 1 and 9 in 18 is 2. And then 18 will cancel 18. So finally, I have the combined ratio q ratio m as equal to 8 multiplied by 2, which is 16, ratio 38, because 18 has cancelled 18. So what I'm left with here is 38. So this is the final answer. So that is the ratio of q to m as our final answer, 16 ratio 38. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video so that others can learn from it. And don't forget to join me in my next video. Thank you for watching.